Thank you, guys. All right. The next song we're gonna play is called "Justice for My Wahine." Ooh, this is my favorite one to play. Oh, are you switching to the? Yes. All right, ready? The painted picture of the girl in the media is not the one that you will see in the mirror. The expectations are illogical, regressive states of mind create an obstacle. While we're still fighting for our equal pay, true representation is not in reach these days. Uh-oh, uh-oh, I'm preaching, I know, as my consciousness flows. I plant seeds, watch them grow into hopes of freedom for truth. While I pray, Yamea Oshun, Pele, Epena Selu, I pray justice for my Wahine. I pray, I still pray. They try to pit us all against one another. That's why some women really hate each other. Oppression floods us like a set of waves. I get so overwhelmed I can't articulate. It's easy to manipulate the mass. We normalize corruption when we should fight back. Uh-oh, uh-oh, I'm preaching, I know this is the part where you shut me out. You can brand me as bad if the hype's all you have. Well, I pray, Yamea Oshun, Pele, Epena Selu, I pray justice for my Wahine. I pray, I still pray. Don't you know when you have an essence that runs with the wolves, some will be in fear of that power you hold to your society